Hi guys, and a very warm welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you what is in our Christmas Eve box. I do this video every year, and I'm also going to be doing a what's in the children's stockings video, so definitely click on the video. This will probably go first, so subscribe so you don't miss it. If you wanted to subscribe, I'd really love it, because I had this goal of 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and in June I hit that, which is amazing. And then I was like, okay, let's just go stretch target. I'm going to go for 20,000 for 2018, and I'm shy of it, so I need just under 2,000 subscribers in 2 weeks. I mean, it's probably not going to happen, but it's a stretch goal, and I'm just so thankful to everyone that has subscribed to me. So if you are new and you're watching this, then please know that it means so much to me if you did want to subscribe. But anyway, I'm going to get on and show you what's in the Christmas Eve box. If you wanted to see previous years, I will leave that link down below. Also, Christmas content over here. I've done everything from party outfits to Christmas hampers, DIY home bargains hampers. We've got loads of Christmas planning videos, which I can link down below, loads of gift guides. There's just loads over here, so I'll leave the playlist down below. Check out the other videos, and if you need any more Christmas content, then definitely leave me a comment and let me know the kind of thing that you want to see over here. So in here, in our little basket this year, we use this one. You would have seen it in the last couple of years, Fortnum & Mason. Big basket, so that we can actually fit stuff in there for us. So I'll talk you through the children's bits first. So first of all, some pajamas. Now each year I usually get a really cute pair of, oh, should we talk about my hair actually? This is probably the first video you'll see with this new hair. Hey, I've just had it done and I really love it. I used to have this, I'm sure I used to have this colour, or maybe I just toned it with like a silver shampoo. Anyway, sorry, if you're here to see Christmas Eve box, you won't want to know about my hair, but yeah, let's just address the elephant in the room and say hi to the new hair. So, I usually do like a really nice pair of Mama Baby pajamas, or White Company, or something really lovely. However, we have two boys who are 5 and 3, so this is the pyjama situation for this year. They're going to go nuts for these. I think there's probably going to be an argument for this one. However, George does really love Toy Story. So we've got the Buzz Lightyear, which is glow in the dark, which will be a good selling point for him if he does want this one, and a Superman one as well. Oh, it's got a cape. Oh yeah, he'll love that. There's going to be arguments. So we got these from Home Bargains actually, so absolutely like really affordable. I don't know how they're going to wash, I don't know how they're going to look, but they will love it. So if they get to wear those on Christmas Eve night, they're going to be like life made. So it's all about the children after all. Right, next up, so the idea is we settle down and we have a lovely cozy evening together before Christmas. I'm going to cook a curry, have some beers and some bubbles, and it's going to be really cozy. However, then you remember that you've got a 3-year-old that doesn't like to sit still very much. So the films that we've chosen are The Highway Rat for George, Home Bargains $2.99. which he hasn't seen, but he's read the book. He's had it as his little school book for the last couple of times, so he's going to really like watching that. So will I. I love these. These are the Julia Donaldson ones, and the Gruffalo, they're all really good. If you haven't seen them, Room on the Broom, they're really beautifully animated. They're really nice to watch. And then after that, we will be watching the Lego Movie, because the children love this. This is the new one. I think they're actually really funny, so it's easy to sit through with them. It's not like one of those annoying programs that actually you hate watching, but they love. It's really funny, and yeah, highly recommend it if you haven't seen it before. Next, we try to get something for them for Christmas Eve, so that when we're running around doing last minute food prep or present wrapping or anything like that, there's something that the children can get on with. So usually we would do like craft activities, or something to make something with, but this year we've got them from Home Bargains again. In fact, a lot of this is actually from Home Bargains, is these magazines. These go down a treat. They've got this extra, oh, Sons of Garmadon, so is that Garmadon? Samurai X, little Lego figure, which these just keep them entertained. There's lots of puzzles in there. Henry's super into his drawing at the moment, so that should just keep them busy if we want to do any last minute bits and bobs. And then we have a story. So this is their storybook for when they go to bed, and this is the Disney one, which we got in Florida. and it's just got absolutely loads of Disney stories. These are the 5-minute Christmas stories. We've also got the 5-minute superhero stories, the 5-minute other stories basically, and they're just at that stage now where they will sit and listen to a longer story, so it doesn't have to be just like a few words per page. And yeah, these are all Christmassy and Disney ones, which they're gonna love. What else have we got? Okay, so we've got some chocolate money. These are from Disney World as well. These are the chocolate coins. I don't know if you can see that. They've got all the different ones in there. And then we've got, sorry, had to go and get this from the fridge. So it's some bubbles. So this I think is Aldi, and I'm really enjoying this one. We get this one when we go to Aldi, and it's really, really nice. So this is obviously for the adults before the hecticness of the next couple of days. Also for the adults, we bought these Girardelli in Florida, and these, I mean, I don't know if you've been to Girardelli. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried Girardelli. They are amazing. We packed out this tin, and these were from Florida, and we've got all different flavours in here. So they do these individually ones, or they do like big boxes or different ones. Sea salt almond, they've just got loads in there. So that's for us adults, hiding them from the children while they eat their chocolate coins. And then finally, we've got a couple of these hot chocolate things. I did a Christmas hampers video and I included these. So these are going to be for the children. So they've got a mug, home bargains again. You've got mug, marshmallows, hot chocolate, and then I've just put some candy canes on there as well, like a mint hot chocolate. So yeah, they are going to absolutely love those. And that is it for our Christmas Eve box. So if you like this video, then please give it a like and share it if you think anyone else might be interested. If you want to see the Christmas stockings one, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss that one. Leave me a comment down below if you've also done a Christmas basket for Christmas Eve this year, and I'll see you all in my next video. Goodbye!